Hi, today we'll be unboxing the new underwater scooter Hyper GoGo Manta Pro. Okay, this is the scooter. This is the leash. With two cables, one UK and one Europe. And the charger itself, and of course the battery. And it comes with a dry bag for the scooter. It's very important to place this first and then this up. The main difference with the Manta Pro and Manta S is the battery. The Manta Pro gives you 70 minutes of use. It can go up to 30 minutes of depth. It got instant speed switch. It's light and easy to fit in backpack. It's made to be less dense than the water, so it floats. It's fully enseized. The propellers are fully enseized to prevent all type of injury. If you lose the grip while using it, it will shut down and come floating automatically. They got 3 gears of speed that are switched very fast. You can use it comfortably with just one hand. For my looks, it looks pretty interesting and fun to use, so let's give it a try.